friendly welcome to the booth at EMO in Milano. We are proud to show you our newest highlights, technologies, which will show you the magic of OKUMA. My name is Pablo Lichti and I am Product Manager for Machining Centers. The demand for horizontal machining centers has been extended strokes, high power spindles and unmanned production capabilities. The result is the European premiere, the brand new horizontal machining center, the MA-600 Mark III. It has extended axis strokes to machine even bigger parts, a new high torque, new high power spindle with 10,000 RPM, 45 kilowatt and even more than 650 Newton meter torque that allows you an extreme high chip removal rate that will boost your productivity. For the unmanned production, we focus on the internal design for a super smooth chip flow, as you can see. That offers you the possibility to add one of our own pallet pull systems or even on a huge FMS for an unmanned production 24/7. Therefore, in that case, you would need a bigger magazines, and there we have the possibilities even up to 400 tools in total, so that you are all the time have the tool ready to use instead of to set up and prepare them and losing unmanned production time. Here you can see the 171 matrix magazine. The benefit of the matrix magazine design is that there are the next 4 ready tools already prepared. So if you have very short machining times between each tools, the next tool is already ready and therefore the tool chain is absolutely on the minimum. As well, when the tool lifetime has reached, they will be stored here and so the operator can easily prepare them already for the next tool. If you want to increase your productivity and profitability, please get in contact with us.